In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate and manage OpenAI API keys 2026 guide. We'll focus on the developer platform, not the consumer ChatGPT website, because API billing and usage are completely separate from a personal ChatGPT subscription. Open your browser and head to platform.openai.com. Click log in and sign in using the authentication option you normally use. Once you're in the developer platform, look to the top right corner of the interface and select the settings gear icon. A settings sidebar will open. From that left-hand menu, choose API keys. If your organization uses multiple projects, double-check the project selector at the top and confirm you're in the correct workspace before moving on. Creating or editing a key in the wrong project can cause confusing usage reports and access issues. To generate a new key, click Create New Secret Key. You'll see a prompt to give the key a descriptive name. Pick something meaningful like production automation or test bot key so you can quickly link spending and usage to a specific integration or environment. If you want tighter control, configure permissions to limit the key to only the endpoints you expect to use. For instance, if your app doesn't handle images or audio, disable those capabilities to reduce the chance of accidental costs. Clear names and scoped permissions pay off later when you're auditing activity. After you create the key, copy it immediately. This is the only time the full token will be visible. As soon as you close the dialog, the platform masks the value for security, and support cannot reveal it later. Paste it into a secure place right away, like an environment variable for your app, a managed secret store, or an encrypted credentials vault. Avoid plain text notes and shared docs, and never commit keys to a repository, especially a public one. Even brief exposure can trigger unauthorized usage and unexpected charges. When a key is exposed, unused, or simply no longer needed, revoke it to keep your credentials clean. In the API keys list, locate the entry, select the trash or revoke option next to it, and confirm. The change takes effect immediately. Any code still using that token will begin returning an HTTP 401 unauthorized response, which is a helpful signal during cleanup and rotation. Be sure to update your services with a replacement key before you remove the old one to prevent downtime. That's the complete flow. Keep keys labeled, scoped to the right project, and stored securely, and you'll maintain a safer, easier to audit API setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.